How to create Facebook Marketplace account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Then, you will find Marketplace at the top, which is the fourth option. You don't have to create a new Facebook account to have Marketplace account. You will have Marketplace account on your Facebook page. Click on Marketplace at the top. And if you click on your profile at the top right, you'll find your Marketplace account. You'll find all the details. Click on View Marketplace Profile and you'll find everything. You can share your profile, add your listings, and this is how to create Facebook Marketplace account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.